Okay, we're doing a little unboxing today. It's from Zazzle, so I'm pretty sure it's our save the dates. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're just gonna open the box first. Little envelopes. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, look at how beautiful they are. Oh my god. They're actually perfect. All I wanted was something like classic and modern. We're doing a black tie wedding, something simple. We didn't get engagement pictures done yet, but when we do, I think I'm gonna print them separately and then like belly band them together so people can have and like save the photos separately if they want to. But oh my god, guys, I got them from Zazzle. They're so affordable, they're beautiful. You can literally customize it however you want. I just took, a basic design and then just added the back, like linen-y looking background. I love them so much. As you guys know, I have a photography business and I would buy all my like business stuff through there. And I was so excited to like finally use them for like all of our wedding stationery and stuff like that. And killed it, truly killed it. Oh my God. I can't freaking wait to send these out in a year, but I can't wait to send them out.